Greetings and welcome to our channel. We're excited to share our passion with you and hope you'll join us on this journey. The GMC Sierra 2500HD is a heavy-duty pickup truck that is available with a variety of engine options. One of the available engines is the AT4X engine, which is a 6.6-liter V8 turbo diesel engine. This engine is capable of producing 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque, making it a powerful option for towing and hauling heavy loads. In terms of features, the GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X comes with a variety of standard and optional features that are designed to make it a versatile and capable work truck. Some of these features include: four-wheel drive. The AT4X engine is available with four-wheel drive, which can provide improved traction and stability on off-road terrain and in inclement weather conditions. Towing and hauling capabilities. The AT4X engine is capable of towing up to 18,500 pounds and has a payload capacity of up to 3,979 pounds. This makes it a strong choice for those who need a truck that can handle heavy loads. Duramax diesel engine. The AT4X engine is a Duramax diesel engine, which is known for its durability and reliability. It also has a long service interval of 15,000 miles. All-terrain tires. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X comes with all-terrain tires that are designed to provide enhanced traction on off-road surfaces. Off-road suspension. The AT4X model comes with a specialized off-road suspension that is designed to provide a smooth and comfortable ride on rough terrain. As for pricing, the GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X starts at around $55,000. However, the final price will depend on the specific features and options that you choose. Overall, the GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X is a powerful and capable heavy-duty pickup truck that is well suited for those who need a vehicle that can handle tough jobs and challenging terrain. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X is a heavy-duty pickup truck that is designed for those who need a tough and capable vehicle for work or recreational use. As such, the interior of the AT4X model is geared towards functionality and durability, with a number of features designed to make it comfortable and convenient to use. One of the key features of the GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X's interior is its spacious and comfortable seating. The AT4X model comes with front bucket seats and a 60/40 split folding bench seat in the rear, providing plenty of room for passengers. The seats are made of high-quality materials and are designed to provide good support and comfort on long drives. In terms of storage and organization, the GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X comes with a number of convenient features. There is a large center console that provides ample storage space for small items, as well as a number of compartments and pockets throughout the cabin. Additionally, the AT4X model comes with a rear under-seat storage area, which is a useful place to store tools or other equipment. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X also comes with a number of tech features that are designed to make it easier to use and more convenient. These include a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as an available 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. There are also a number of available safety features, such as adaptive cruise control, forward collision alert, and lane keep assist, which can help to keep you safe on the road. Overall, the GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X's interior is designed to be functional, durable, and comfortable. It offers a range of features that are designed to make it easy and convenient to use, whether you're on the job or out on the open road.